Hi, my YouTube family. This is Melody from Home Garden and Passion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today, we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, so I made this purse, and this purse made with velvet fabric, and this has blue sequin, and I have rhinestone, blue rhinestone, and this purse turned out really good, and just made from a small fabric and beautiful purse. This is like a drawstring purse, and we call this Batua too. And here's the pattern. So I cut two pieces of paper and then a circle paper for the bottom. And so this purse is quite big. You can have a lot of things inside. And this is I stitched it, so I turn it upside down. So I stitch the side. First I stitch the top, then the side, and the bottom has a circle base so it could sit properly. And then I just on the top I stitched 2 inches, and there I inserted a string. I'm very basic and just decorate the way you like, and it's very long, so you can put everything, cell phone, comb, and this I can fold it like this and make it short, half. If I don't need even half, you can put so much, your cell phone and your key and your purse, and then you put a rubber band to tie it here if you want to make it half, and then just put it back again, and that way it's just half. And then here's the fabric I'm going to show you, and I cut up this fabric already according to the paper pattern, and it's just very simple. You give a little bit width on the top. I think the top is about 4 inches, but the bottom is 3 inches because we want to put a circle at the bottom. See, bottom is 1 inch smaller than the top. And then you just keep your length, whatever length you wish, and then fold the top and stitch it. You can run in the machine if you like. I'm stitching by hand, so just stitch the top first like 1 inch, and then fold it again, do 2 inch more because we want to insert our string on that. So draw a string purse, so you have to make a space to insert your. You can do all this in the machine, it'll be faster and easier, but I'm just showing you in here by hand so I don't make so much noise with the machine. So just putting basic easy stitches, and the front, usually if you're gonna do it by hand, make sure your front stitches are small, or even if you make it big, you just put some rhinestone or sequin on top so nobody can actually see your stitches. And these decorated purses, you're really not gonna wash it. These are for parties, so don't need to worry about your sequin or your rhinestone falling off. So I'm just giving some basic stitches on the top, and then I'm going to stitch the sides. And it's a very simple purse. Anybody can make it as long as you have the desire to make it, and just let your imagination run wild and just make it. So 2 stitches on the top and make a space for the string, because you could put 2 strings for both the side to draw a string, or 1 string. I use 1 string. So now I'm done with this one on the side. Now I have to do the second one, and then I have to do the side. When you do the side, you put both the pieces with their pretty side facing to each other, and then you stitch it. So you stitch it at the wrong side because you want the pretty side to be inside, so when you turn it around you get the pretty side. So that's how you're going to stitch it. So here I have already stitched both the tops. I'm gonna have to do the sides, and I'm doing the bottom after the sides. So the sides are very easy, just a basic stitch and run few times so it doesn't open, or just take it to the machine. And now I'm gonna stitch the bottom circle. And bottom circle, when I cut it measuring the fabric so I don't have it too big or too little. And I'm just going to join it at the bottom, and you can do it without the circle, just join the bottom. I'm putting a circle so that way when you set it down somewhere it has a base to sit with all your cell phone and your keys, and it just looks like it's, you know, it's can sit, it has a base. So bottom also to the circle I'm giving just basic stitch. You can run the machine, and if you want to do by hand, just run a couple of times so that way it'll be sturdy and won't open up. So I would advise you to run the machine even if you do by hand, so it'll be like really sturdy. Once you hand stitch everything, take it to the machine and do all at the same time, so that way you don't have to go back and forth again and again, and it will become a sturdy one. So this going round and stitching the entire circle. You can first measure the fabric, how much you need to make at the bottom, and then you just put a bowl or something and cut a circle. Make sure your circle is matching to the fabric width so that you can stitch it. If it's a small, you can give couple of pleats to make it the same size, but if it's big also you can do couple of pleats on the circle so to match it. If you get a little bit of big, little bit of small, so it's just some small stitches I'm giving. And now I am inserting my pin to insert the string I made. And the string is made out of fabric from the same color fabric, just stitching the fabric. You can just make this string in the machine, just stitch it or do it by hand, whatever you like. Machine is the easiest, you know, just take it to your machine, fold the fabric and just stitch it, and then use a pin to insert it in your purse, and then put a tie on the purse, put a tie with the string together so it doesn't open up. Now remember, you can stitch this one in the machine too, the last end part, so they don't open up. But before you do all this, you should have decorated your fabric so it'll be a decorated purse, you know, unless you want to make it just one color plain purse. And this is also long purse, and I can fold it and make it to a half and put a rubber band so it doesn't open up the half, and just have it as small purse or big purse. So this is how you can make a very simple, easy drawstring purse matching to your clothes. And also both the side leave a little bit open to insert your string, and then later stitch them up. Now you can insert 2 string and coming out from each side, or you can insert 1 string, it's up to you. So this is a pretty purse and easy to make, so try it, you might enjoy. Here as is coming out, I'm going to add a rubber band to it, so my purse will be small and it'll hold my key, my purse and my cell phone. So yeah, so these drawstring purses are very useful, and you can decorate it with rhinestone and sequin from the same color, and it'll look pretty. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.